Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Nissan Versa, making your drives more convenient. First, for your safety, please ensure your vehicle is completely stationary before you begin. Next, activate Bluetooth on your mobile phone and confirm it is discoverable by other devices. Finally, find the Apps button on your car's central control panel to start the pairing process. This preparation ensures a smooth connection. To initiate the pairing, press the Apps button located on your Versa's control panel. Once the display screen changes, gently touch the Settings key to open the system's configuration options. From the subsequent menu, carefully navigate to and select Phone and Bluetooth. This action will bring you to the specific connection settings needed to add your device. Now, on your car's display, touch the Connect New Device option. Simultaneously, on your mobile phone, open your Bluetooth settings and look for your car's name, which might appear as My Car or Nissan Versa, in the list of available devices and select it. Your vehicle will then display a unique 6-digit PIN. Confirm this exact code appears on your phone before proceeding. If the 6-digit PINs perfectly match on both your phone and your Versa's screen, touch Yes on the car's display to finalize the connection. The system will then provide an on-screen message confirming that your phone is successfully paired. You can now effortlessly make and receive hands-free phone calls and stream your favorite audio directly through your vehicle's sound system. Enjoy your newly connected drive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.